Okay, here we are. It's now time for new unboxing video. And yep, let's go find out what we have in the box. A bit tricky. I need to use scissors because of this type of box. One thing, I have used this same company to deliver my boxes or movies for quite some time already. They changed the boxing to this grey thing from the reddish thing, and I really don't like it. And same thing with the post. They used the first class post, which usually takes from 1 day to 2 days to deliver. Yep, they changed that to a second class post, which takes from 2 days up to 5 days to deliver. But they kept the same cost. It still cost me €3. That's like close to $4 to actually ship it to my home. And yeah, when they changed it to this rubbish looking package, yeah, it isn't that great thing. Charge the same, but yeah, they need to pay a lot less. Okay, so let's really try to get it done. Like that. Let's hope I didn't break the actual movie there. This isn't a new release, it's just a release which I don't own currently as a Blu-ray. Let's try to get it out. And here it is. Let's see, it's Total Recall, and it's a comic book edition. And yep, this is the Schwarzenegger movie. So yeah, the release date is 1990. Yeah, let's take the cover off so we can see what's different between the comic book edition. So yeah, I have the DVD release. I can show it to you guys later when I get this open. Like that. Let's slip it off. Scissors really need a third hand. So yeah, nothing inside there. And yeah, nothing that great looking here either. Just random pictures. Maybe I should put the lights on. I don't know. Is it bad? I think it's actually worse like that. Yeah, let's do it. Keep it that way. And yep, the same background. And let's open it up. And yep, nothing here. Oh, it's a disc itself. Which appears to be one. Okay, like that. Yep, absolutely nothing more here. So yeah, I don't really know what's the difference between this one and the comic book edition one. Probably nothing. It's just the packaging. What's different? Yeah, I highly doubt there is any special special clips or anything extras in this edition. Yeah, let's go take a look at the DVD version. so we can compare it. Small trip to my house and to the total recall. Come on, there is. Yeah, I can probably see anything. Let's move back to the light. So yeah, here's the comparison of the covers. And behind, let's see the length. It's 1 hour 48 minutes, and this Blu-ray is actually 1 hour 53 minutes, so I think there must be something different. But yeah, same with this. Is it actually the same cover? No, it's a black one, and then there's a Arnold face on it. But yeah, that's the unboxing. I don't know. Was it any good because of the hardness of opening the packages? But yeah, I hope you liked it, and goodbye.